Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer honey teriyaki salmon bites. Let's begin. We have here just a little bit over 1 pound of salmon. Let's open it up. When you buy the salmon, you want to make sure to buy the thicker part of the fillet. We're going to remove the skin. Just like that. We're going to cut it into 6 cubes. Since this is a little bit thinner on this side, we're going to cut it a little bit wider. I'm going to cut it right here. Right there. There you go. Should look something like this. We're going to season it with some garlic powder. And we're going to season it with some ground white pepper. Turn it over and do the same thing. Some garlic powder. And some ground white pepper. Looking good. Try to use some of the seasoning on the cutting board on the sides. Next, we're going to put them into a bowl. We're going to marinate it with 1/3 cup of Kikkoman original teriyaki sauce. Okay, that's 1/3 cup of teriyaki sauce. Mix them around a little bit. We're going to cover it and let it marinate in the fridge for 1 hour. Okay, the salmon bites has been marinating in the fridge for 1 hour. We're going to remove the plastic. We'll put the salmon bites to the side for right now. We'll also need some honey. Pour some out. Looking good. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in these salmon bites. There you go. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far. We're a little bit over the halfway point. Let's flip it over. But before we flip it over, we're just going to add some honey onto the salmon bites. There we go. We covered one side of the salmon with honey. Let's flip it over. There we go. We flip them all over. And now let's add some more honey on the other side. Okay, we brushed honey on both sides of the salmon. And now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Just take them out. Next, we're going to add some chopped up green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer honey teriyaki salmon bites. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.